Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix playback lag on CapCut PC. So you're editing, for instance, and you're like replaying the video and it's just lagging. So go to menu and go to settings, go to performance and make sure everything is enabled. So select this one, hardware encoding, decoding, render interface with GPU, and you're also going to turn on proxy. You're going to then press save and you're going to select modify next. Go back to performance, and if your proxy is off, you are going to enable it and you're going to select the lowest resolution and you're going to press save. It's only going to temporarily convert your video resolution to a lower setting so that when you watch the edit back, it doesn't like lag, but when you export it, it's going to be like the same basically quality, I guess. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!